Step 1. Start PYS5 Manager. Definition. 1. Still have remaining IP amount. 2. Local proxy indicates the local proxy address. 3. Local IP indicates the local IP address. Tips. PYS5 proxies have to be used under non-Chinese mainland network environment. Step 2. After logging into the account, turn on PYS5 Manager. Filter country, state, city, and click search to obtain the IP address list of the target region. It's worth noting that you have access to even more IP addresses if you don't filter locations by specific states or cities. You can also filter by zip code and IP subnet. Step 3. Right-click on an IP, click Forward Port to Proxy, choose a port. Step 4. IP has been bound successfully, click Port Forward List, check Detailed Proxy Parameter. You can also click Free on the right side to set the port free and go to Today List to bind the IP to another port. Step 5. Copy the proxy info and configure it in your proxy software or extension. Step 6. Now, let's configure the proxy using GoLegend as an example. Open the GoLegend app and click on Add Profile. Navigate to Proxy and select your proxy to configure it. Step 7. Once the settings are completed, click on Check Proxy to ensure that the proxy is available. Congratulations! You have successfully set up the proxy. Click on Create Profile to finalize the setup. Step 8. Click on Run to start using the configured proxy. Step 9. Definition of column. Status of available. True. The IP is in your today list for less than 6 hours. False. The IP has been in your today list for over 6 hours. Status of online. True. This IP can be bound to use again. False. This IP can't be bound to use. If the status of both available and online is true, you can rebind the IP and it won't cost your credit. If the status of available is false and status of online is true, it'll cost you 1 credit to bind the IP.